Today we have a 2022 Ford F-150. We're gonna add a key with Eaata 360 Pro. So the first thing we do is we're gonna put this is the working key. This is the key that we're gonna program. I'm gonna put it in the slot. That's the VCM. Okay, so we're gonna do emo for Ford. Key matching. Automatically ignition is on. Got the VIN number. So the functions that we need to get is the patch programming, key matching, gonna program key, requesting BCM, and now we got our output right here. We copy it, and then we gotta get our encode, and let me just get it, and then we finish the programming. We have our key ready to be programmed, and we're just waiting for the encode for a 2022 Ford F-250. We're waiting for the encode. We're still waiting for the encode so we can supply the encode to the programmer, and we will be able to program the key. Sometimes you get it fast, sometimes you just got it. So we go back here and we paste the encode, we press OK, and it's requesting access, and it's programming keys. You can hear it. Now it's 3 keys program. Thank you for watching again.